Good morning children, welcome to the class. In today's class, let us learn what is simple equation, how to convert a simple equation into a statement and how to convert a statement into a simple equation. Watch this video. Hi children, good morning. Who are you?
I am Doggy.
How old are you?
I won't tell you.
Even then, I can calculate your age.
How can you calculate my age? I won't believe you. Tell me please. How can you calculate?
Multiply your age by 2.
Okay.
Then add 5.
Okay.
What do you get?
13.
13. So your age is 4.
You are right. You are right. How you got it? How you got it?
In that video, we found that dog's age is 4 years. How we got that result? Now let us see how we got that answer. Now let us assume that dog's age is X years. Dog's age is X years. First, what did doggy did? He multiplied this with 2. So, multiplied the number with 2. What we get? 2x we get. And again I asked him to add 5. So, for 2x he added 5. Then what is the number he got? He got 13. He told that it is 13. So, what we have to do is, from the result we have to subtract. If we send that there, what we get? 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And x is equal to 8 divided by 2, and by cancellation we get 4 years. So like this we can solve the problem. Let us see another example. Look here is a small conversation between teacher and Rahim. Teacher, Rahim, think of your lucky number. Multiply it with 6. Subtract 10 from it. How much did you get? The answer is 44. Then what we have to tell? The teacher has to guess his lucky number. How the teacher will guess that number? See here. 44. It is after subtracting 10 he got this answer. So before subtracting 10, what will be the answer? Before subtracting 10 from that one means he might have got 54. So after subtracting from 10 he got 44. So before subtracting the number is 54. And how he got this number? Multiply it with 6. So he had multiplied his lucky number with 6. Means the lucky number he multiplied with 6. Then he got 54. So what will be the number before multiplication by 6 means we have to divide it by 6. So what is the number? Now your answer is correct. 9 6 is equal to 54. So 9 is his lucky number. Let us solve another problem of same type. The age of Harshit's father is 2 years less than 3 times of the present age of Harshit. What is Harshit's age if his father's age is 40? What we have to find? We have to find the Harshit's age. We have to find Harshit's age if his father's age is 40. So first we have to divide the problem into 2. What we have to find out? That we have to find out in the problem. After that, we have to see whether what is given for that. ఫస్ట్ మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ని 2 టైప్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఏం అడిగారు, ఏమి కనుక్కోవాలి, మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సిన విషయము ఏమిటి, వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. అండ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ దట్ థింగ్ అంటే అది తెలుసుకోవడానికి వాట్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. వాట్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ అంటే ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, ఏమి కనుక్కోవాలి. ఈ 2గా డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని. అప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనకి చాలా ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. Okay, now let us find out the Harshit's age. We have to find Harshit's age. Let us assume that Harshit's age is x. Unknown thing మనము సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో ఎక్స్గా తీసుకుంటాం. హర్షిత్స్ ఏజ్, లెట్ హర్షిత్స్ ఏజ్ బి ఆర్ ఏజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ఇయర్స్. మనం హర్షిత్ ఏజ్ తెలియదు కాబట్టి హర్షిత్స్ ఏజ్ ఏమనుకుంటున్నాము, ఎక్స్ ఇయర్స్. హిజ్ ఫాదర్స్ ఏజ్ ఈజ్, అప్పుడు హిజ్ ఫాదర్స్ ఏజ్ it is given is 40 years. His father's age is 40 years. Now to find Harshit's age, what are the sources given? The age of Harshit's father is 2 years less than, so this father's age is 2 years less than 3 times to the present age of Harshit. 3 times to the present age of Harshit. So 3x. 3 times to the present age of Harshit means 3x. So let us write this one. 3 times present age of Harshit is equal to 3x. 3 times present age of Harshit. And the age of Harshit's father is 2 years less than, అంటే 2 years less than 3 years. ఈ 3 years కన్నా 2 years తక్కువ ఉంది. సో -2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 40. లైక్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ద ఎంటైర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్. Three is called coefficient of x. 3 is called coefficient of x, and x is called variable. X is called variable, and 2 and 40, these two are called constants. These are constants. So these two are called constants, and x is called variable, and 3 is called coefficient of this simple equation. This all together is called simple equation. This is why we are calling this equation as simple, means this is having only one variable. Only one variable. Any equation with one variable and power 1 is called simple. Power means exponent. Of this variable is nothing is there, so it is given as 1. We should not write 1, we can. Even then it is understood that the power of that is 1. So if the variable is having 1 as its power and one variable is only there, then it is called a simple equation. Convert the mathematical statements into simple equations. Now let us move to the another type of problems. Here what we are doing is we are converting mathematical statements into simple equations. Convert the mathematical statements into simple equations. So see, this is 5 added to a number is 9. First one, what is given? 5 added to a number is 9. Let us solve that first. 5 added to a number. Let us take that number as x. ఆ నంబర్ని మనము x అనుకుందాం. Let us assume that let the number is equal to x. ఆ నంబర్ x అనుకుందాం. 5 added to a number. So 5 we have to add that number. 5 added to that number. What we get here? X plus 5. If we add 5 to that number, we get x plus 5. Then what is the result? 5 added to a number is 9. So x plus 5 is equal to 9. This is our simple equation. Like this we have to write all these problems. Now let us solve the second one. What is second one? 4 times a number decreased by 3 is 5. here 2 steps are given. 4 times a number and it is decreased by 3. Then we get 5. So let us, in the same manner, let us think that the number, let us assume that the number is x. X, y, whatever the numbers we want, we can take. Okay, let us assume that let the number is y. Let the number is equal to y. Then 4 times a number, 4 times of that number, what we get? 4 times of that number is 4y. And decreased by 3. This is decreased by 3. Decreased by 3 means what we get here? 4y minus 3. We are decreasing 3 from this number. What is the answer? 5 we get. So 4 times a number decreased by 3, we get 5. This is the required equation. Like this we have to read it and write the problems. Okay, let us solve the third one. The sum of 3 times of n and 7 is 13. The sum of, it is same as that one, here decreased by 3 and here we are adding 7 to that number. Like that, while reading the problem itself, we have to get the idea of solving it. That is why we have to read the problem very carefully. So here read again, the sum of 3 times of n and 7. So sum of 3 times of n. 3 times of n. The number here itself he has given. So in the third one, the number is n and 3 times the number. 3 times the number. What we get? 3 times of n. What we get? 3n. And sum of 3 times of n and 7. So sum of 3 times n we get 3n and sum of 3n and 7. So we are converting the statement into simple equation. So see, the sum of 3 times of n and 7, 3n and 7. What we get here? 3n, sum means adding, plus 7, 3n plus 7. So what is the answer here? Resultant is 13. So we can write the equation as 3n plus 7 is equal to 13. So this is the required statement. Like this we have to solve step by step. Now let us solve the fourth one. Length of a rectangle is 3 meters more than its breadth and its perimeter is 24. Perimeter is given. Length is 3 meters more than its breadth. So breadth is not given. Let us assume that breadth is equal to x. Let breadth is equal to x, and then what will be the length? Length is equal to 3 meters more than breadth. So it is 3 meters more than that number, or x plus 3 or 3 plus x, whatever we want we can write. Length is equal to 3 plus x. Then perimeter we have to find out. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but length breadth is given, means it is rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth. So 2 bracket, what is the length? Length is x plus 3 or 3 plus x And what is breadth? Breadth is x. And perimeter is equal to 24. Here perimeter is equal to 24 meters. So this is equal to 24. First let us simplify this one. 2 bracket x plus x, we get 2x plus 3. 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6. 4x plus 3. Therefore 4x plus 6 is equal to 24. Like this we got the simple equation. Children, now let us convert simple equation into statements. Previously we converted statements into simple equations. Now we are going to convert simple equations into statements. Okay, first one. Let us see the first one. Y minus 7 is equal to 11. How we convert this one? 7 is subtracted from y. Then we get 11. If 7 is subtracted from y, we get 11. Otherwise, we can write 7 less than y is 11. 7 less than y is 11. Like that also we can write. 7 less than y is 11. Like this we can convert the simple equation into statement. Now let us solve this one. 8m is equal to 24. How we write this one? 8m means 8 times m. 8 times m is 24. Like that we can write 8 times m is equal to 24. Otherwise 8 times m is 24. We can write like this. Now what is third one? 2x plus 13 is equal to 25. How we convert this? 2 times 2x is added by 13, we get 25. Otherwise, sum of 13 and twice a number x is 25. Like that we can write. Otherwise, sum of twice x and 13 is 25. Like this we can write. Sum of sum of 13 and 2 times x is 25. Like this we can write this one. Now let us solve the fourth one. Y by 4 minus 7 is equal to 1. Here we got fraction y by 4 minus 7 is equal to 1. How we write this one? 7 subtracted by 1/4 of y. Like that we can write. 7 subtracted from 1/4 of 7 is 1. Like that we can write 7 subtracted from 1/4 of y is 1. Like this we can write all the statements. We can convert equations into statements like this.